Good day, sir. Good day, everyone. So today po, my presentation is about food and beverage service and C3 Super City. So here is my sample workshop layout po. Here po. So superseded core competencies po for food and beverage and C3 is preparing the dining rooms, restaurant areas for service, welcoming guests and taking food and beverage orders, promoting food and beverage products, providing food and beverage service to guests, providing room service, and receiving and handling guest concerns. So, food and beverage service NC3 programs emphasize both theoretical learning and practical application po. So, in my design po, CBT Learning Station, the layout is carefully arranged to provide students with a complete training environment where they can study, practice, and evaluate more in one facility po. So, sorry, hindi po ako masyadong marunong maggawa-gawa ng mga ano po. So, at the center po is the contextual learning area which serve as the main classroom for lectures, discussion, and group activities po. So, supported by the teacher's table and whiteboard for instruction. So, surrounding this corner are specialized areas that cater to different needs of the program. So, the practical work area po sa may katabi ng contextual area gives students the opportunity to apply their knowledge in real service tasks such as food preparation, table setting, and customer service with tools and equipment placed nearby for easy access po. So, the computer laboratory naman po for distance learning, they can use it. It introduce learners to digital application, and they can use it for menu planning, which are essentials in today food service industry. To ensure resource center, to ensure continuous learning, a learning resource area is provided po. While the trainer's resources naman, nasa may top po, sa may katabi ng entrance, gives instructor a dedicated space to prepare and manage lessons. So, quality is monitored through the quality control sa may katabi ng learning resource sa may top po, which follows DESTA standards po. So, the design also prioritize safety and convenience po. So, my entrance and exit. So, fire extinguishers, a comfort room, proper ventilation, and fire exit are all integrated to create a secure, learner-friendly environment po. So, altogether, this CVT learning station embodies the principle of competency-based training by combining theory, practices, and assessment in one cohesive space po, ensuring that students are fully prepared for the demands of the food and beverage service industry po. So, ayun po. So, mga key areas of the food and beverage service SC3 CVT learning po is the practical work area, tools and equipments, contextual learning area, computer laboratory, trainers resource center or area, institutional assessment area, quality control area, learning resource area, support service area, and may comfort room din po. Tapos mga fire extinguishers, teacher's table, whiteboard, trash bins, tapos ventilation po. Fire exit, tapos may exit din po dito or entrance. Yan po. Thank you.